Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay, and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Ayan. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Taurus, what is up? What is up this week? Overall energy. The Two of Swords. Medyo nalilito kung ano ang gagawin. Can be a major decision that you are facing right now. Pwedeng related sa relationship yan. So, what is your challenge? The Moon. Challenge sa inyo yung feelings ninyo. Pwedeng maaring maging emotional kayo this week. And syempre, pag tayo nagiging emotional, hindi tayo nakakapag-isip masyado ng maayos, 'di ba? So, pay attention with your emotions. Huwag mong hayaan na magpadala ka sa iyong nararamdaman. Lalo na kung meron kang malaking desisyon na gagawin. So, your opportunity is the Magician. Meron kang opportunity to solve your problems, yung mga issues mo. So, this is having the things that you need. Marami kang kakayanan eh. You already have the things that you need to find a solution sa problema or sa situation na meron ka. And your blessing is the Eight of Swords. So, as a blessing, it means na tinatanggal dyan yung limitations mo. Kasi pwedeng you feel like hindi mo kayang gawin dahil sa pakiramdam mo may mga bagay na limitado na alam mo, or marami ka pang kailangang matutunan about a certain situation. Okay, so let us clarify that. Ang nakikita ko rito ang blessing sa'yo is clarity, no? Kaliwanagan. What is the Two of Swords? The Death card. Changes, transformation, ending. So, yung iba, pwedeng meron kang gustong tapusin na connection, relationship, can be a business, a project. Gusto mo nang i-close yung chapter na yan ng life mo, pero nahihirapan ka na gawin kasi you are emotionally connected to that, no? Pwedeng to that person, to that situation, to that job, to that career. So, parang nasa crossroads ka, inisip mo, ready na ba ako for the change? Ready na ba akong tapusin to para makapagsimula ako ng bago? Ganon. So, your challenge is the Moon. What is the Moon? What is the Moon? Ace of Cups. New beginnings talaga. Meron kang gustong i-pursue na malapit sa puso mo. Like, it makes you feel good. It makes you feel happy. Pero pwedeng hindi siya practical. Kaya, nagdadalawang isip ka. Parang hindi siya in alignment of what you should be doing, pero nakakapagpagaan ng pakiramdam mo. Like, for example, you have a certain passion. Like, example, magaling kang mag-painting, ganyan, drawing, nasa creatives ka. But, hindi mo siya ma-pursue kasi hindi ka sigurado kung saan yun papunta. Kung magiging stable ba yung income mo doon. So, parang ang hirap for you to make that decision. What is the Magician? Knave of Cups. Yeah, I think, yung iba sa inyo, yung pagiging practical kasi, parang given na yan na, ito kasi mas practical, sigurado na, ito na yung siguradong kita. Pero may mga pagkakataon na kailangan natin sundin ng ating puso, ang ating passion. So, I feel like you have the opportunity to follow your dreams, your passion. Kaya nga medyo challenging yung decision making mo. Malaki yung desisyon na gagawin mo this week. You have the Seven of Wands as your blessing. So, I think ngayon, the blessing is clarity dahil may mga tao sa paligid mo na imbis na nagbibigay sa'yo ng kaliwanagan, sila pa yung parang nagko-complicate ng isip mo, no? So, ngayon, you're going to protect yourself from these people para makapag-decision ka what's best for you. Oh my God, tinan mo. Meron ka talagang decision making, oh. Direction, change. Oh, may opportunity. Merong alliance. Merong person na tutulong sa'yo. O, diba? Ito yung, basically, this is what the magician is. You have the tools that you need. You have the abilities. You have what it takes. Meron kang i-release talaga. Taurus. Yes, anything that you feel like is no longer serving your highest purpose. I feel like you are going to follow your passion. What you really love. Blessings. Oh, 'di ba? Maraming blessings. Meron ditong unexpected na kaperahan na darating sa'yo or unexpected na ganito paling mangyayari sa pera mo. Okay, and then meron din ditong law and order. So, meron ka mga ayusin na papeles, pwedeng may mga aasikasuhin kang documents sa mga government offices. You have Eureka. Oh, meron kang isang magandang idea. Oo, ngayong week na to na I think ito yung ipupurso mo Gagawin mo to kasi this is going to bring you a new source of income or new opportunity sa trabaho. See, may clarity sa relationships, connections. You're becoming more positive and effort. Yeah. For you, pagdating sa relationship, importante sa'yo na may effort yung person that you are dealing with. Hindi lang ikaw yung nag-e-effort. Diba? Meron ka mang relationship o wala. Kasi parang you are setting your standards. You know what you want. You are reassessing the situation. You have the right to change your mind. So, yung iba kasi pwede nakapag-decide na, tapos, na-realize nyo na hindi pala talaga yon yung gusto nyo. So, pwede nyong baguhin. Meron kayong karapatan na baguhin yan according sa kung ano talagang nilalaman ng puso mo. Minsan kasi kahit na practical na isang bagay, meron pa rin dyan na parang bumubulong sa'yo, no? Sa kaila-ilaliman ng puso mo na bakit hindi mo subukan kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, o, diba? So, iba sa inyo, yun yung ipopursue nyo. Okay? So, there you go. That is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.